Hello everybody, this is my ELRC website page. So first is my bio page. My bio page really describes a little bit about myself, on how I came to LSU, where I came from, things like that. It also explains a little bit about my experience with working with children, what I like to do with working with children by athletic, like doing training exercises, showing them what to do, help coaching them and things like that. And then it shows a little bit more about my hobbies and things I like to do in my free time. My training page really shows a video of the gym that I work at / train at. This is the place where I train the kids. I train kids from ages from all the way young, like elementary school age, all the way to high school / college age. And this is the place where I train as well. These are our tech projects. These projects basically help us with different tools. Basically being a teacher type deal. A lot of the things in this class basically give you really tools on how to become teachers, and not really how to become teachers, but how to work with resources that teachers really use and how it can apply with like different things that you could do. Like all the things that I used here doesn't just have to do with teaching. It could also help me in different aspects in life, different opportunities if I have to create PowerPoint presentations and things like that. So here's my digital story. So this is my digital storyboard and my digital story below. This was my favorite project of the whole class because we got to tell a story. And me personally, I like telling stories, and I could really give insight on myself by telling my story. And I felt that was really cool. It was also cool using iMovie because I can use that in the future for I'm on the football team and I'm a football player. So if I want to send different clips and things like that to agents of my playing abilities and things like that, I could create a little iMovie and send out videos through email and post the link on YouTube and things like that. But this digital storyboard really helped organize my iMovie clip and just make it easier to go back and forth and create it. The PLE and PLN page right here, the personal learning environment and the personal learning network basically is a good tool to use. I feel as though if you're in a teacher area or just a collaboration, in a space where you collaborate a lot with other people. A lot of the things, the different aspects in this, the blogs, curation tools, microblogs, I didn't know before until I did the project. And I feel like this could also really help me in the future, big time. And then we have to do reflections, 3 reflections, and then just put examples as well, just define each of these 3 aspects. So now we're to the resources section. So we use Wakelet for this. Just again, another organizational tool. This helped me basically organize different things for my research, for my project in this class. And I almost forgot the tech blog that we had to do, basically defining copyright, a little bit about myself as well, and a bio page situation introduction / type deal. And yeah, all in all, creating this website wasn't hard. It was very informational, educational, and it allowed me to see different aspects of using different websites, copywriting issues, linking sources, videos, just different things. And this really, I feel as though, will help me in the future. So this is my website, and thanks for your time.